Hi, you guys. I am sick right now, but I just feel like singing, so I'm gonna be doing a little freestyle. And my birthday is in 6 days, so that's what it's gonna be about, and some more stuff. But it's gonna be on instrumental of "Crying Out for Me" by Mario. Excuse me. Here we go.